Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the basics that actually influence eyesight performance. Check Vehicle menu for eyesight firmware updates and make sure your Subaru software is current. This prevents unexpected errors. Next, position your seat and mirrors so the cameras have a stable, unobstructed line of sight. Once done, clean the windshield where the stereo camera assembly sits. Dirt, stickers, or heavy tint will degrade detection. Do these now, they're quick, and they remove the most common immediate failures. Now you enable and configure eyesight features using the infotainment and steering controls. Turn on adaptive cruise, pre-collision braking, and lane keep assist, then set your preferred following distance. This alters how soon the car slows. Make sure speed-based alerts and auto-resume are set to values you trust, because they change system behavior. Once configured, drive at low speed in a safe area so eyesight can calibrate its stereo cameras against real-world lane. Finish by confirming eyesight shows a normal status icon on the dash and that no warnings remain. If you recently replaced or repaired the windshield, make sure dealer-level camera calibration is performed. A misaligned camera causes false alerts. If something goes wrong, reset eyesight settings, power cycle the vehicle, and re-clean the windshield area. These steps clear many transient faults. If the problem persists, contact Subaru service for diagnostic calibration. Don't ignore persistent warnings, because they affect safety-critical interventions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.